Now the question is, we have to find the equation of the tangents to the ellipse x square plus 4y square is equal to 16 and which are inclined at 60 degree to the positive direction of the x axis. Now equation of ellipse is x square plus 4y square is equal to 16 or x square upon 16 plus y square upon 4 is equal to 1. Now, comparing with x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, we get a square is equal to 16 and b square is equal to 4, or a is 4 and b is 2. Okay. Now what else is given? The tangents are inclined at 60 degree to the positive direction of the x axis. Now positive direction of x axis. Therefore, slope of tangents m is equal to tan 60 degree or m is equal to root 3. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Now what we are having? We are having a, we are having b and we are having m. Okay. Now equations of tangents to the ellipse are y is equal to mx plus minus a square m square plus b square. Okay. Now let this be equation 2. Now substituting values of m, a and b in equation 2, we are getting y is equal to root 3x plus minus square root of a square. A square is 16. 16 times root 3 square plus b square is 4 plus minus 52. 16 times 3, that is 48. 48 and plus 4 is 52. Hence required equations are root 3 minus y minus root 52 is equal to 0 and root 3x negative of y positive of root 52 is equal to 0. Answer.